Most of us go through life pretending that we don't have any special goals or ambitions or desires, when really deep down inside, we do really want more. We block ourselves and we use these words almost like we're in a trance. Like we're sleepwalking through life, but we find ways to cancel out our dreams. There are a lot of things we want to do, a lot of places we would like to go, a lot of things we would like to experience. And we just stop at but. But it causes you to hide down behind fears, but it causes you to come up with all types of excuses that you can validate your inaction and not acting on dream. But is a dream killer. But most people, you know what they do? Most people go through life quietly and safely, tiptoeing to an early grave. We've been holding back. We have ideas that we don't act on, things we want to do. We're afraid to take chances. I see a lot of people say no to things that they don't even know what they say no to. Don't allow but to keep you in a corner. There are a lot of people who say, but I tried once or twice and it didn't work out. And so they use that as an excuse not to ever come out again. Even if things don't work out, or even if I experience to feel a failure, that does not make me a failure. If things don't work out and you don't produce the result you want, that's all. But don't confuse who you are with the result that you produce. Always know that wherever you are, you can enjoy more, that you deserve more. So, why don't you decide now that you're going to expand your world, that if other people can learn, you can learn too. See, if you're working on your dreams, sure, there'll be time you want to give up. Sure, there'll be time in life when it knocks you down and gets you on the blind side. But the challenge is to hold on. And if you hold on tenaciously, I say the universe is on your side. See, if you don't decide to act on your dreams, if you don't decide to make a decision to live your life, if you don't decide to step into your fears, if you don't decide to say yes to your life, it will never work for you. You got to live what's in you. Life is just too short and unpredictable. But what are we saying? There will always be tomorrow? There's no guarantee that you're gonna show up tomorrow. Always something there. To be the case, why you can't move on, why you can't go to the next level, why you can't begin to manifest your greatness, that you're gonna say is not worth it? Yes, that's gonna be right there for you. It's gonna be in your face, telling you to go back. So, if you want to do something, or you thought about something you want to do, take it head on, and life will never be the same again. Live your dreams. So, is it possible for you to have all your dreams become a reality in your lifetime? Yes, it is possible. But the real question you should ask yourself is, have you made the decision?